Hi everyone, welcome to the Computational Physics Lab. Today we are going to explore Newton's laws of motion, the basic rules that explain how and why things move. By the end of this video, you'll understand these laws with real-life examples you see every day. Newton's first law, law of inertia. Let's start with Newton's first law of motion, also called the law of inertia. It says that an object will stay at rest or keep moving at the same speed and direction unless a force acts on it. Imagine a soccer ball lying still on the field. It won't move unless someone kicks it, and once the ball is rolling, it won't stop unless something like friction or a player stops it. That's inertia, the resistance of any object to change its motion. Learn with example. Think about when you're riding in a car. If the driver suddenly hits the brakes, your body lurches forward. That's because your body wants to keep moving even though the car is stopping. Your seatbelt applies a force that stops you, protecting you from flying forward. This shows Newton's first law in action. Newton's second law, law of acceleration. Next up is Newton's second law. This law tells us how the motion of an object changes when a force is applied. It's written as F equals m times a, or F forest may. Here, F is force, m is mass, and a is acceleration. This means the harder you push, the faster an object accelerates, and the heavier the object, the more force you need to accelerate it. Learn with example. For example, imagine pushing an empty shopping cart versus a full one. It's easier to push the empty cart because it has less mass. You have to push harder to make the full cart move at the same speed. This is Newton's second law, showing how force, mass, and acceleration are connected. Newton's third law, action and reaction. Finally, Newton's third law says that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This means whenever an object pushes another, the second object pushes back with the same force. Learn with example. Think about a rocket launch. The engines push hot gases downwards at high speed. In response, the rocket is pushed upwards with equal force, lifting it off the ground. This is Newton's third law in action. Action and reaction forces working together. Summary. So to quickly recap, Newton's first law explains inertia, why things keep moving or stay still unless something changes that. Newton's second law explains how force changes motion based on mass and acceleration. And Newton's third law explains how forces come in pairs, acting equally and oppositely. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more physics lessons. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Computational Physics Lab. See you next time.